Morning student, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmi Green School, Jhareshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 9th maths. And our chapter is coordinate geometry. We revise coordinate geometry. Yesterday we have learned how which type of question coming on in exam. Let's see some more examples. Okay. And firstly, you have to remember all the points which we revise you in yesterday okay. Understand. Now question number 19 is coordinate of PR. In case coordinate of PR, what is the coordinate of P? See the P. So here you can easily see what is the x coordinate of P is. X coordinate of P is, you can see, -2. See here, it's -2 and it's 4. Okay, so coordinate is -2 and 4, so B is the right answer. Okay, understand. Now question number 20. In 3.2, the point identified by the coordinate -5 and 3. -5 means x coordinate is -5. So see here, x is -5 and y is, what is y? Y is 3. So it's a L point. Okay, so C option is the right answer. Okay, the point whose ordinate is 4 and which lies on y axis. Okay, so its ordinate is 0, 4, because if only ordinate is given, then x is 0. Okay, so it's 0, 4. Okay, the point on the y axis has its abscissa is 0. So the point whose ordinate is 4 and which lies on y axis is 0, 4. Okay, understand. Now let's see the question number 22. What is question number 22? Which of the following which of the point P 0, 3, Q 1, 0, R 0, -1, S -50, T 1, 2 do not lie on the x axis? Do not lie on the x axis. So when the point, which point having 0 abscissa is 0, which having 0 abscissa is 0, so that is lie on the, we know that a point on x axis has always its ordinate equal to 0. So the point which do not lie on the x axis is P 0, 3 and R 0, 1. Okay, and T 1, 2. Hence C is the correct answer. Okay, understand. Now the point which lie on y axis at a distance of 5 unit in the negative direction of y axis. Negative direction, a point on y axis has its abscissa equal to 0. So the point on the y axis at a distance of 5 unit in the negative direction, so it's 0, -5. Okay, so C option is the correct answer. Okay, the perpendicular distance of the point P 3, 4 from the y axis is, perpendicular distance of the point P 3, 4 from the y axis is abscissa, means x coordinate, so of the point 3, 4, which is 3. So our answer A will be the right answer. Okay, understand. Let's take one example. Plot the point P -6, 2 and from it draw PM and PN as perpendicular to x axis and y axis respectively. Write the coordinate of the point M and N. What is the coordinate of M? Coordinate of M is -6, 0. Okay, this is -6, 0 and this is 0, 2. Okay, understand. Now next is from the figure 3.4, write the following. See the figure carefully. What is the point of B, C and E? We have to write the point B, C and E. So first see carefully what is coordinate of B. So coordinate of B is -5 because x is -5 and y is 2. So you can write -5, 2. Okay, what is coordinate of C? It's -2 and -3. So you can write -2 and -3. What about E? It's 3, -1. So you can write 3, -1. Okay, always x is the first member and y is your second member. Okay, understand? Now the point identified by the coordinate of 0, -2. The point identify by the coordinate 0, -2. कौन सा वाला दिख रहा है 0, -2? मीन्स x is 0 and y is -2. So it's the f. Okay, it's your f wala. Okay, now the abscissa of the point h is 1. See here, it's 1. Okay, the ordinate of point D, where is point D? ordinate क्या होगा इसका? The ordinate of point D is 0 because it's on x axis. Okay, understand? Now let's see. Now write the coordinate of each of the following P, Q, R, S, T and O from the figure 3.5. So this is your figure 3.5. What is the coordinate of P? If you want to write what is the coordinate of P, so P के coordinate आपको दिख रहे हैं 1, 1. So you can write 1, 1. What is the coordinate of Q? So you can write Q is on the x axis. So you can write Q is equal to -3, 0. Okay, what is the coordinate of R? So you can write it's -2 and -3. So R is -2, -3. Okay, what is the coordinate of S? So coordinate of S is 2, 1 and T is 4, -2. Okay, so this type you have to write all the coordinate of the points. Okay, understand? Now if you want to plot the points with points and write the name of the figure obtained in the joining them in order. Okay, so see here -3, 2, -7, -3, 6, -3 and 2, 2. So where is the point R? If this is your Cartesian plane, so -3 मतलब आपका यहाँ कहीं पर होगा, -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, 3. This is your origin, that means 0. Okay, हमें -7 तक जाना है. Let's draw again. Okay, this is our origin. This is -1, -2, -3, -5, -6, -7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and here y axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. माइनस साइन में -1, -2, -3, -4. So where is -3, 2? -3 and 2 is your here. So it's your P point. Okay, -7, -3. So -7 and -3 is here. 6, -3. 6 is here and -3 is here. This is your R. This is your Q and 2, 2. So 2, 2 is your here. Okay, so when you join this figure, what you obtain? Okay, so let's join these 2 points or these 2 points. Okay, what you can see, this is trapezium. Okay, and you can write trapezium PQRS. Okay, plot the point XY given by the following table. अगर हमें इसमें प्लॉट करना है पॉइंट्स, so we have see the points x and y and plotting the Cartesian plane. Okay, now plot the following point and check whether they are collinear or not. So you have to plot this point and check it's collinear or not. Okay, without plotting the point, indicate the quadrant in which they will lie. If ordinate is 5 means it's positive, ordinate is positive and abscissa is negative. So -3 5 means कहाँ पर होगा ये? It's always second quadrant. Okay, then abscissa is -5 and ordinate is -3. So both are negative, so it's a third quadrant. Okay, -5 and 3, that is abscissa is negative, so it's again second quadrant, and 3 and 5, so it's again first quadrant. Okay, so student, in this chapter we learn the branch of mathematics in which geometry problem are solved through algebra by using the coordinate system is known as coordinate geometry. Coordinate system means coordinate axis. The position of a point in a plane is determined with reference to two fixed mutually perpendicular line called the coordinate axis. Okay, understand, these are coordinate axis: first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth. X o x dash, y o y dash. Okay, x coordinate is called abscissa and y coordinate is called ordinate. Okay, what is ordered pair? A pair of number a and b listed in a specific order with a at the first place and b is the second place is called the ordered pair. Means a comma b, bracket a comma b. Okay, note that a comma b is not always equal to b comma a. Understand, thus 2 comma 3 is not ordered pair and 3 comma is one ordered pair and 3 comma 2 is another ordered pair. Okay, in given figure O is called origin, the horizontal axis is called x axis, OX is called the x axis and the vertical axis is called y axis. Okay, understand, and P a comma b be any point in the plane. A, the first number, denote the distance of point from y axis and b, the second number, denote the distance of the point from x axis. X axis is called abscissa. Okay, and y axis, y coordinate is called coordinate. Okay, the coordinate of the origin is always 0 0. Okay, every point on the x axis is at the distance of 0 unit from the x axis, so its ordinate is 0. Every point on the y axis at the distance of unit from the y axis, so its abscissa is 0. Okay, always remember, first quadrant both are positive, second quadrant abscissa is negative and ordinate is positive, third quadrant both are negative, and in fourth quadrant abscissa is positive and ordinate is negative. Okay, understand. Now any point laying on x axis or y axis does not lie in any quadrant. Okay, understand. So these are main point. So keep remember, attempt all the questions. Okay, read the question carefully एंड क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा हुआ है वो आपको देखना है, वॉट यू हैव टू फाइंड, एंड ऑलवेज रीड क्वेश्चन केयरफुली एंड डू इट एंड सॉल्व इट. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ it's your exam time, so I will do you revision of chapter 1st, 2nd and 3rd, and which type of question is coming in your exam. Okay, so always in this exam only MCQ types of question is coming. Okay, so do all the question, do not skip any question, write, take all the questions. Okay, because there is no minus marking. Okay, understand. Okay, have a good day.